So, making slime again. No activator in this time. I hope it worked because I don't know how to make no activator slime, but giraffe. So, putting some alcohol. Tingnan nga. Camel.
Camel?
Oo. Try mo ano yun ang...
Ito ba yung camel?
Oo. Putting more thick glue. Mix.
Ayan, bisa mo na, na-stress na.
Ay, alis ko yung to. Putting more alcohol.
Na-stress yung baby.
I put more alcohol and then mix it again. It's looking like it's activating. But this is not a activator, so we're gonna put oil, alcohol, contact solution, and baby oil. Now putting clay in the slime. Clay dough. Clay dough. Guys, it literally works, so bye. I'm going to go wash.